Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Shopify dropshipping store using an easy method. First, selecting the right niche is crucial for your success. Focus on products with high demand and low competition to maximize your profit potential. Spend some time researching trending items and understanding your ideal customer. This foundational step will guide all your subsequent decisions, ensuring a strong start for your online business. Next, it is time to build your actual Shopify store. Begin by creating an account and choosing a subscription plan that fits your budget and needs. Select a visually appealing and professional theme that reflects your brand's aesthetic. Then, customize your store's layout, add essential pages like About Us and Contact, and ensure easy navigation for your customers. A well-designed store builds trust and enhances the shopping experience. Now, let's talk about sourcing your products. Utilize platforms like Oberlo or DSers to find reliable suppliers and import products directly into your Shopify store. Ensure each product listing includes compelling descriptions, high-quality images, and clear specifications. Strategically set your prices to cover costs, generate a healthy profit margin, and remain competitive in the market. This step is vital for offering a diverse and attractive product catalog. Finally, it is time to market and launch your store. Develop effective marketing strategies, perhaps using social media advertising or search engine optimization, to attract your target audience. Integrate secure payment gateways, offering multiple options for customer convenience. Once everything is set, launch your store. Remember to continuously monitor your sales data and customer feedback to make informed adjustments and optimize for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.